Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this good opportunity, I would like to present our research entitled The Effect of Ceiba pentandra Biodiesel and Dexlite diesel blends on the 4-stroke diesel engine performance. Introduction. Major utilization of fossil fuel in the world became a concern to find an alternative fuel due to its environmental impact and the diminishing of its reverse. So, we need alternative fuel. One of the alternative fuel is biodiesel. Why biodiesel? Because biodiesel is renewable, harmless, safe, and biodegradable. There are several sources of non-edible oils that can be used for biodiesel production, such as Japari carcus, Pongamia pinnata, Colapillum inopillum, rubber seed, Azadirachta indica, Maduka indica, Simonsia chinensis, Ceiba pentandra, and microalgae. Kapok or Ceiba pentandra seed oil is among the prospective non-edible oil for biodiesel synthesis. Ceiba pentandra, or locally known as kapok, can be easily found in tropical countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, several parts of America, and Africa. In this research, blends of Dexlite or diesel fuel and Ceiba pentandra biodiesel was studied on the 4-stroke diesel engine performance. Materials and method. Materials. Dexlite fuel from Indonesian Oil and Gas Corporation or PT Pertamina, and Ceiba pentandra biodiesel oil was produced in Chemical Engineering Laboratory of Universitas Negeri Semarang. Method. Biodiesel and diesel fuel was analyzed its physicochemical properties. The fuel used in this study is varied at 4 different volume basic ratios with a 10%, 20%, 30%, and 40%, and B0 as control variable. The engine tests were performed at Mechanical Engineering of Universitas Negeri Semarang by using dynamometer pool type LPS 3000 and 4-stroke diesel engine. This is the schematic of the experimental setup for diesel engine performance test. Result and discussion. The properties of Dexlite diesel fuel and Ceiba pentandra biodiesel can be seen in these tables. Generally, Ceiba pentandra biodiesel characteristics were already fulfill the requirements of Indonesian National Standard Certified Products for Biodiesel. This is the effect of engine speed to the engine torque for different diesel blends. Dexlite fuel, or B0, has the highest average torque engine with 107.04 Nm, followed by B10, B30, B40, and B20, with average torque engine of 106.4 Nm, 105.04 Nm, 104.4 Nm, and 103.78 Nm, respectively. It can be concluded that B10 torque engine performance is close to the pure diesel engine performance with only 0.6% difference. This is the effect of engine speed to the engine power for different diesel blends. Based on the average value of the power output of the engine, B0 has the highest power among all biodiesel blends with 41,678 kilowatt. Meanwhile, the blend of Dexlite with 10% of Ceiba pentandra Biodiesel or B10 produce 40,889 kilowatt. Conclusion: Ceiba pentandra Biodiesel to the diesel fuel affect the engine torque and power. After adding the biodiesel in the fuel mixture B10, B20, B30 and B40, the torque produced is decreasing. The torque is affected by the amount of energy generated from the combustion process. The decreased torque value is influenced by the caloric value of biodiesel. Based on the average value of biodiesel brake power, B0 generated the highest brake power. An addition of Ceiba pentandra oil decreases the power output. That's all. Thank you very much.